Welcome everyone. In today's detailed guide, we're going to walk through the essential process of cleaning your DSLR camera lens. A clean lens is the single most important factor for capturing crisp, clear, and professional-looking photographs. We'll cover the tools you need, the proper techniques, and the common mistakes to avoid. Before we begin, let's quickly discuss why this is so crucial. Dust, fingerprints, and smudges on your lens can cause a surprising amount of image degradation. You might see soft focus, reduced contrast, or even visible spots and flare in your photos, especially when shooting into a light source. Regular, proper cleaning not only ensures the best image quality, but also helps maintain the value and longevity of your expensive gear. Alright, let's get our toolkit ready. You don't need much, but using the right tools is critical. First, a high-quality air blower. This is your first line of defense. Second, a soft bristled lens brush for gently removing more stubborn, non-greasy particles. Third, a premium lens cleaning fluid specifically designed for coated optics. And finally, a pack of clean, unused microfiber cloths. Never use your t-shirt or a paper towel, as they can leave lint or even cause microscopic scratches. Let's start the cleaning process. Pick up your camera and hold it so the lens is facing downward. This allows gravity to help pull the dust away from the lens as you work. Now take your air blower, aim it at the lens surface from a slight angle, and give it several firm, sharp puffs of air. Work your way across the entire surface. This step is designed to remove all the larger, loose particles of dust and grit without ever touching the glass. Inspect the lens again. If you still see any small, persistent specks, it's time for the lens brush. Using very light pressure, gently sweep the particles from the center of the lens outwards. Think of it as a gentle flicking motion. The goal is to lift the dust off, not to rub it into the glass. Once you're done, give the lens one more quick blast with the air blower to clear away anything the brush dislodged. Now we'll tackle the fingerprints and oily smudges. This is the most delicate part of the process. Take a fresh microfiber cloth and apply one, and only 1 or 2 drops of the lens cleaning fluid onto the cloth itself. Crucially, never spray or drop the fluid directly onto the lens. Doing so can cause the liquid to seep into the lens barrel, potentially damaging the internal electronics or causing fungus to grow over time. With your lightly dampened cloth, it's time to wipe. Start at the very center of the lens. Using gentle, consistent pressure, wipe in a continuous spiral motion, moving from the center outwards towards the edge of the lens. This technique is effective because it methodically pulls all the grime and residue to the outside, away from the critical center of your image path. Don't press hard. Let the fluid and the microfiber do the work. Once you've completed the spiral wipe, take a completely dry section of the microfiber cloth and perform one last, gentle wipe in the same circular pattern to buff away any remaining streaks. Now hold the lens up to a light source and inspect it from various angles. It should be perfectly clear. And there you have it. A pristine lens, ready to capture stunning images. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking care of your gear is taking care of your photography.